So far, the thing that has annoyed me the most is this. Because it drops down, and it's too high to reach. So I don't know what the point of it is. Alright. Alright, so we got the boat on the roof. That pipe is really heavy for rock. It is, so far, pretty much empty. Well, we have that for loading heavy stuff in. It does swing around. That bunk does lower to the bottom, but we're probably gonna end up with 2 bunks in there. Theoretically, all the lighting works, but I have not really explored it. Spider webs came free. Alright, so I do have to kind of crouch. That looks, I don't know what that is. Waterline maybe? Yeah, there it is. It's just like a really ugly shed on the back of a really ugly truck. It's perfect. So this door opens. So we gotta fix this top beam because that's pretty dead.